past couple of years have been brutal for computer hardware pricing. Laptops, graphics cards, games consoles, memory, it's all skyrocketed in price and it's turning computers into a luxury. But it doesn't have to be this way. You see, with a little bit of know-how and ingenuity, it's possible to build your own fully custom PCs by recycling parts from the most unusual of sources, bringing joy back into the hobby of building PCs in a way that has the environment and your wallet thanking you profusely. Everything on this homemade all-in-one PC has been salvaged from dead hardware, from the motherboard and speakers to the wide gamut 4K screen, making it a fraction of the cost compared to buying new. Salvaged laptop motherboards in particular are key here. While you can recover these yourself from physically damaged laptops, a more reliable way to get them is by buying already refurbished units online, as they're available for very good prices.